Hello guys, welcome back to learning Kotlin with hypertext solutions, and I'm your guy Muhammad Zafad, the one who is taking you through this course. In this tutorial we are going to learn about Kotlin variables. And what are variables? Variables in other programming languages, even in Kotlin, it refers to a memory allocation whereby it is used to store data. The data of that variable can be changed and reused depending on a condition or information passed to the program. So how do you declare variables in Kotlin? Kotlin variable is declared using keywords. Two keywords. You can declare a variable using val or a var. If you declare using a val, the variable is immutable. By being immutable, that means you cannot change the value. Cannot change the value of that variable. And if you declare using var, that means the variable is mutable. That means you can change the value of that variable, the value of the variable. So let us go to IntelliJ IDEA and I will illustrate how to declare variable using these two different keywords, val and var. This is our IntelliJ IDEA. Let us create a new file and we name it variables, and under variables let us create our main function as it said in tutorial 1. And under main function let us declare one variable, language, and name it Kotlin, and another with the var, name it age equals 23. Now let us try to print these two. One is language and another one is age. Let's try to run this. Run variables. Run variables. It's gonna compile. And it shows Kotlin 23. Now let us try to modify. Language equals Java and age equals age, I wanted it to be an integer, so 23. So age, let me make it 43. You see, IntelliJ IDEA just brings a warning that var cannot be reassigned. So even if you try to run this program, will always show errors because var cannot be reassigned. You see, Kotlin var cannot be reassigned. But if you try to remove this line and we run again, you will see language being reassigned to Java. It's taking some time, you see. Java now and 23. You see, language is reassigned. Also, we can declare variables by explicitly specifying the data type. For example, you can say var name, and that name is a string, and I give it Fahad, and we say var age, it is salary, and you say it's an int, they make it 40,000, something like that. Now we can print line name and print line salary. Salary. Let's try to run this and see what happened. Now you see here we are explicitly specifying the data type, and also here we are specifying the data type as integer. You see Fahad 40,000. Also we can ignore like initializing the variables at the stage of declaring them. For example, if you declare a variable, we say variable 6, and we say it is a string, and we make it like that, and we say var let us say what can I say, price, and this is an int. You see these two variables are declared. One is sex string and one is price integer, but they are not initialized. So if you call them here, they will bring an error. So you have to first initialize them. So you can say sex is equal to female, and here you can say price is equal to 8,000, something like that. You can print the same values. Let me say now I'm printing sex, and here I'm printing price. Try to print again. You get, of course, similar results. You get similar results. So you see you have female and 8,000. So declaring variables in Kotlin is very easy, as long as you put these two keywords. One is var, another is val. This is for mutable, that variables can be changed. This is for immutable, variables that can not be reassigned. You can initialize the variables at the start, or you initialize them later. Again, variables you can explicitly specify the data types here, or you can leave them and be inferred by the Kotlin compiler. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Continue subscribing to my channel. See you later in another video.